Hello everyone, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my channel where I often do videos with my cat Lily. Today we are going to unbox, test, and review the new ice cream ball from Cheerble. Cheerble just launched a vibrating and jumping ball that your cat can use when you are not home. So let's get started with the unboxing. This is what the packaging looks like. The ball comes in 3 colors. I picked sea salt blue. It's supposed to be like an ice cream flavor, but I've never tried sea salt ice cream before. They also have strawberry and they also have matcha. So the strawberry is pink and then the matcha is green. The aesthetic is based off of National Ice Cream Day. So let's go ahead and unbox this.
I think Lily knows that this gift is for her. Hey baby, you like your little toy? You want to test it out? It actually has a really nice feeling to it. Just go crazy with it, huh?
Okay, so we did a very lengthy testing of the product. The Cheerble ice cream ball, it does exactly what it claims to do. It vibrates, it jumps, it keeps your pet happy and entertained. I just want to mention here that this is not a sponsored product, which means I am not getting paid to say nice things about this toy. All of my thoughts and opinions are my own. Like I've said in my previous videos, YouTube is not my job, it is my hobby, so I enjoy making videos for you guys. I know a lot of my subscribers love to see Lily and want to watch her grow up, and I really hope that you guys liked this video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!